Chapter 16 Overview. Chapter 15 described the banyan tree of the material world. The modes of material nature nourish both the upper auspicious divine branches of the tree and the lower demoniac branches. In the 16th chapter, Krishna explains the divine qualities that elevate one within the tree and lead to ultimate liberation. So in the first section, verses 1 to 9, there is a description of transcendental and demoniac qualities. Krishna explains in detail the demoniac qualities and the mentality which drives one down to the lower regions of the banyan tree of the material world and ultimately to hell. He also explains the advantages and disadvantages of these qualities. In the next section, verses 10 to 18, the demoniac nature is described. Actually in the first section there is also a description of the divine qualities, verses 1 to 3, chapter 16. This is not mentioned. So we are speaking now verses 10 to 18, the demoniac nature. After briefly describing the demoniac qualities, Krishna further describes the activities, mentality, and qualities of one who has demoniac tendencies. And the last section of this chapter, verses 19 to 24, describes results of demoniac activities and the choice of elevation or degradation. So, the result of performing demoniac activities is that the person has to go into lower species and other types of hellish life. Because lust, anger, and greed are the beginning of demoniac life, all sane men should give them up and understand their duty by faithfully following the scriptures. The ultimate difference between divine and demoniac is that the divine follows scriptures, where demons, they do not follow scriptures. So this is the overview of chapter 16.